A total of 30 arrests were made and cash, drugs, and vehicles were seized in Tameside as part of GMP's force-wide initiative, Operation Avro. Dozens of raids were carried out, thousands of pounds of goods were seized and 30 suspects were arrested on suspicion of a range of offences following a blitz on crime in the district in February 2022. Almost 200 officers from across the force were involved in the operation, maximising resources from across our districts and specialist units, and flooded the city with a surge of activity, including warrants, arrests, community engagement, traffic enforcement, and crime prevention advice along with partners including Tameside Council. Weapon sweeps, high-visibility patrols, multi-agency checks on premises and businesses and vehicles were seized as part of the widespread effort to take proactive action on crime in the district. Tameside is the fifth district to hold Operation Avro, following Salford, Trafford, Manchester and Stockport. A number of warrants were carried out in Hyde, Droylsden, Duncanfield and Ashton, including addresses in Booth Close, Stalybridge, where 3 men were arrested on suspicion of drugs offences and cannabis plants were found. At an address on Market Street, Droylsden, a man was arrested on suspicion of Section 18 assault and theft of a motor vehicle after a suspected stolen vehicle with keys was located and seized. Multi-agency teams also carried out vehicle safety checks, taxi and private hire vehicle safety checks, scrap metal and waste carrier compliance checks and visited licensed premises across the borough. Partners from HMRC carried out the checks on taxis and 6 were found to have failed due to defects, being ordered to fix them before being allowed to carry passengers. At 9 of the 10 off-licence and convenience stores visited by Tameside Council's licensing team, suspected illegal tobacco was found and seized. On Mottram Road in Stalybridge, a traffic operation led to 82 speeding offences being recorded, along with 26 traffic offences reported, 5 vehicle seizures and 2 arrests. Chief Superintendent Rob Cusson, from GMP's Tameside District's commander, said, "This action is more than a one-off, it's all part of the new era GMP is now in, where we're arresting more criminals, seizing more assets and deploying more officers into our neighbourhoods. We're absolutely determined to make Tameside the safest place possible to live, work and visit, and Operation Avro is just one of the steps we're taking to ensure this happens. This day of action has led to some impressive results thanks to the work of our officers and partners across the district, and we will continue to crack down on those causing the most harm to our communities by bringing those responsible to justice. I'd like to reassure the communities in Tameside that we will listen to your concerns and act on them. Anyone with any information or concerns can get in touch with local officers." Tameside Council Executive Leader Councillor Brenda Warrington said, "The day of action supports our wider, ongoing multi-agency work as part of Operation Safer Tameside to take a robust, partnership approach to tackling issues of concern in our local community. We are determined to make our communities feel safe and protected, and it's great to once again see such positive results and feedback."